Main purpose just to explore, just a fan tour to explore the destination Kashmir. That's the only purpose, and to establish a connectivity between our tour operators and here the tour stakeholders to see the properties, products. Our operators, they had no idea about the destination, about the product. They have visited Pahalgam and Gulmarg and all. They liked it so much. And the thing is that we are very hospitable. Bangladesh is a very, very hospitable country. And Kashmir is, by virtue of religion, second or not, but they are also very, very hospitable. So we could relate.